Good morning, my dear students. Let us go back to our lesson to the review on basic concepts of accounting. And for this day, our lesson will be about business transactions and their analysis. And these are the different learning objectives. Number one, describe the nature and give examples of business transactions. Number two, identify the different types of business documents. And number three, analyze common business transactions using the rules of debit and credit. So in our last topic, we discussed all about the normal balances of the five major accounts, and I hope naintindihan po natin, and until now, nasa isipan pa po natin. And these are the different steps in the accounting cycle. Number one, identifying and analyzing. Number two, journalizing. Number three, posting. Number four, an adjusted trial balance. Number five, adjusting entries. Six, adjusted trial balance and or worksheet. Seven, financial statements. Eight, closing entries. Nine, post-closing trial balance. And lastly, the reversing entries. I hope na po natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod po ng mga ating steps in the accounting cycle. Identifying and analyzing transactions and events. Only accountable events are recorded. Accountable events are those that affect the assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses of the business. Accountable events are normally identified from source documents such as sales invoice, official receipts, delivery receipts, and the like po. So saan po natin kinukuha po ang ating mga nire-record sa source documents po. And we need to analyze these source documents if accountable po siya or hindi po. Types of events, external events, and internal events. How do we define internal events? Are transactions that involve the business and another external party, while internal events are events that do not involve an external party. Journalizing. Journalizing refers to recording an identified accountable event in the journal by means of a journal entry. So, like for example, account title to be debited and account title to be credited. So you need to put the date, the account titles and the explanation, then the amount debited and credited. Simple and compound journal entries. Simple journal entries contains a single debit in a single credit element, while compound journal entry contains two or more debits or credits. So I hope na po natin the difference between simple journal entry and compound journal entry. Ayan, so that ends our lesson pala regarding the lesson for this day po. So any question po or any reaction with our discussion for this day? Ayan, kung meron man, you need to comment down below so that masasagot po natin ng maayos bang mga katanungan po natin. So that ends our lesson for this day. I hope you've learned something about our presentation for this day. Thank you and God bless.